what is account nickname in Clickbank. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what it is. So when you go on Clickbank and whenever you are going for a transaction or creating a hop link or anything related to Clickbank, you are required to provide your nickname, which basically means that this is a unique identifier of your account. In order to track your activity, this particular nickname is provided to you. So whenever you create your hop link and provide your nickname right above it, which basically means that the hop link is created keeping in mind the nickname. So every hop link is associated with your nickname. So this way your activity is tracked and all the sales that are made using that particular hop link you are given the credit for, and this is how your revenue is calculated. So in order to create hop links, just go to the account section and over here you can create a new nickname or link your existing account to this particular account, and this is how the nicknames work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.